everybody, this is Nerf Gun Reviewer 331 here today, and today's Blaster of the Month review will be, or overview more likely, will be on the Alpha Trooper CS-18. So, I guess I'll just kick it off with why did I choose this blaster. Now, this blaster is also modified, so it shoots and performs a lot better than its stock predecessor of sorts. It's been a very reliable blaster. This is also a blaster I've bought for I want to say like since I reviewed it. When I initially reviewed it, it was right around the time when I picked it up, I think. I'm not entirely sure. But this blaster's served me well, both in Nerf wars and just in local battles. And I believe this was also the first Nerf blaster in a very long time that I have modified that is not a pistol, or a sidearm of sorts. The Alpha Trooper features a pump action grip. It came with an 18 dart magazine along with 18, I want to say, end strike darts, not the elite. This is the original end strike elite, or not, I almost said it. This is the original end strike blaster series, as you can see here. But the Alpha Trooper blasters had a tactical rail on top, a pump action for the priming mechanism, and the grip was very comfortable. The trigger felt nice. It was very squeezable. It had two clip attachment or sling attachments, one up by the grip and one by the grip where the trigger is. And it also had a stock attachment point, like right here, so you could throw. I thought I had a stock nearby, but I guess I don't. The stock, it worked with most to all stocks as far as I can remember. It worked with the recon stocks. Well, virtually anything works with the recon stocks. Spectre stocks, Retaliator recon, etc. I think I just said the same thing twice. Anyway, as far as this blaster being the first blaster I modified, it was also like one of the, like, I just want to say it's either like an underdog or a blaster was underrated a bit, and I love this to pieces. Shoots and performs well, and it's very simple and easy to pick up. Like, most people could pick this up and say, oh, okay, so you pull this back, shoot, and then obviously the trickier part is you want to do that and pull that magazine out with the magazine release button. This worked with all end strike magazines, such as the 18 dart magazines, 6 dart magazines, drums, drums, magazines, clips. It works with everything. As far as actual like different off-brand magazines like the Busby or the Adventure Force, I'm not entirely sure if that would work, because not related to this video at all, but I made the mistake of putting a Busby magazine into a Stampede, original Stampede, and I had to tear it apart, sadly. Anyway, back to the video. The Alpha Trooper, I think it was released, I'm going to say, in like 2000, I want to say 2009, 2010. I could be wrong on that. I could be off completely either, but that's a guesstimate if I had to guess. It also had a jam door. I mean, it's a jam door. It's nothing special. But I love this blaster to pieces, and this will be the blaster for July 2020. And so far, it still works like a dream. It hasn't needed any more repair or modifications. Although the one thing I would say, if I wanted to change one thing, would to be add a barrel adapter that's either 3D printed or already made, not using 3D printing technology. But the idea is that it would be nice to have a barrel attachment. That was the one thing I mentioned in that review a very long time ago, that it didn't have a barrel attachment. I could kind of see why, but it just performs so flawlessly. Oh, whoop. I forgot if this has slam fire. Oh yes, it does. So, this blaster does also have slam fire. I don't know if that goes for the newer variants, like the Elite version, and then all these other battle camo style blasters, or even the Delta Trooper, if I had to be honest. But the Alpha Trooper was one of those blasters. It was versatile in many different ways. And and say if you had a problem with it, there was plenty of tutorials online on YouTube and Google that explained like virtually everything from Lord Drag to like, I don't know, just like anybody else. People who have found problems with this blaster, they have found a way around it. I didn't even realize that was loaded. Anyway, this blaster it just serves me so well, and what better way to honor it than to make a video based off of it. So, thanks for watching, guys. This is Nerf Gummy Viewer 331 signing off for today. This is the Blaster of the Month 2020 for July. Yeah, so if you enjoyed the video, please throw down a like, a comment, subscribe. I'll be willing to answer anything you guys throw at me. The other part of it was, I guess, have a good day, good night, good life, and everything else, and, yeah, just hope you guys enjoyed it and understood the video. See you guys later.